Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall zero trust tools like Cloudflare WARP on server, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Cloudflare WARP from your server, start by opening your terminal or command prompt. For Linux systems, type the following command to find the exact name of the installed WARP package. Use the command dpkg list grep warp. Once you've identified the package name, proceed with the uninstallation. Execute the command sudo apt-get remove package name. Replace package name with the name you found in the previous step. If you are using a Red Hat-based system, the command will differ slightly. Type sudo yum remove package name. Again, replace package name with the correct name you identified. For Windows servers, open the control panel. Navigate to Programs and then select Uninstall a program. Locate Cloudflare WARP in the list of installed software. Right-click on it and select Uninstall. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation process. After uninstallation, it's good practice to clear any residual files. For Linux, you can run sudo apt-get auto-remove. For Windows, use the disk cleanup tool to remove temporary files. Finally, restart your server to ensure all changes take effect. Check the program list to confirm that Cloudflare WARP has been successfully removed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.